how to remove all your likes history on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove all your likes on posts on Instagram from your beginning on Instagram till now. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing all you need to do is go to your Instagram, follow those steps I'm gonna give you. Click on those three lines up there beside the plus icon and click on your activity. Now scroll down and click on interaction, which is the third option, and click on the second option, likes, and now click on selected, and you can just select all those posts. And this is it. Now you can, for example, use all your fingers to make it easy and start selecting all those posts. Click on now unlike, and keep doing it until you clear all the posts you don't want to like anymore. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, or if it was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.